Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wizy and I'm back again with another video. So in this video, guys, I actually want to explain to you how I lost my YouTube. So matter of fact, I actually lost my Google account. They hacked my Google account and they deleted all the video that I had on this YouTube channel. So as you know, guys, I actually put a lot of work in making videos here on this YouTube channel, teaching you guys, like sharing my experience and sharing my knowledges, right? And a lot of people that was actually benefiting from that. So what happened is my Google account got hacked, right? And they deleted all my videos. They took my Facebook, right? They took my Facebook. They took my Instagram, right? So and they deleted all the videos that I had on the YouTube, and they also changed the the name of my YouTube channel, right? So and yeah, that's exactly what happened. So that's why, as you can see, I don't have any video on this YouTube channel, and I'm starting over. I'm starting as a brand new again. You understand? So that's exactly what happened, man. That's why you can see I don't have any video here on this YouTube, and I think this is a, I don't know those people, right? And I think um I suspected a few people, right? So because it was this day, I was actually on a Telegram, and some people, they actually DM me, and they actually told me, they said, "Hey, look, man, as you actually know how to trade forex, you have knowledge, and as we actually have the funds, right? So what if we can actually work together?" So they proposed that to me, that they have money and they actually wanna work with me, right? So and actually I was okay with that, and I was like, okay, that's fine. We can actually work together. So they said, all right. So we actually three people. So the guy that I was talking to, he was from UK, and he said, I have a friend of mine, but before we actually proceed with this, we would like to actually make a Zoom call, all of us together, so that we can discuss this. All right. So and I was like, okay, that's cool. If all right, and then we actually make a day. We schedule the time, and all right. So now, and then I was waiting for them. Like it was the next day when I was waiting for them, so that we can actually start our the meeting. You understand? And the next day, right, I was waiting for them, and then I actually created a Zoom link, and then I sent to them. So, and then they said, okay, we don't actually use Zoom. What if we can use Google Meeting? I don't know about Google Meeting. I never used it. I know there is a Google Workspace, whatever. And then they said, okay, let's use that one. It's actually convenient because he said the friend is in China, so in China they banned Zoom, so they don't have Zoom in China. And then they said we should use Google Space instead. And I was like, okay, that's fine. And then the guy actually created a Google link and sent it to me, right? He sent it to me, and then I clicked. So what happened was, by the time I clicked that link on this website, it actually showed like Google Space and everything. So I'm trying to log in, and then they actually asked me to put my my email and my password, guys. So I don't know what happened. I actually feel something is off with all those things, but I ended up like putting my Google account, my email, and my password. Right. As soon as I put my password and I tried to log in, and then it didn't go through. It didn't go through. And then what happened was I it didn't go through, and then he said, okay, you failed to log in. And then I called. I actually sent this guy a message like, why am I not joining the meeting, right? So, and then I said, all right, so let's just wait. We're gonna try and fix it. So the whole time, guys, I'm the one who's gonna trade, and I just feel like, nah, dog, I don't think if I have to do all this, right? So by that time I was like, no, okay. So whenever you are ready, just send me, just deposit the money into your account and send me the details so that I can actually start. We don't have to talk about anything. We don't have to be on a Zoom, right? So if you are ready, you trust me, you know me, right? If you've been subscribing, if you've been following me, then you know I'm a legit forex trader. I trade. So, and then I actually hang up, guys. I didn't want to talk to them that much. So the next day, that's when I started receiving. I received a message, right? I received a message, and they say like, from Advantage, from my brokerage account, and then they said your account has been tempted. Log in someone attempted to log in into your Vantage account, and it shows there the IP, the address, right? The people who actually tried to log in are in a UK, right? So, and I was like, what? And especially that's when I thought like, okay, maybe they are those guys, right? Because and then I actually went inside and I checked my emails, and guys, you won't believe. I tried to log in on my Facebook, nothing. My Facebook was not going through. I tried my Instagram, nothing, guys. So, and then I was like, yo, what is happening? So I had to go on a Google and check who is using my who has access to my Google account, and I actually checked and I saw the computer in the UK having access to my Google account, and that's when I was like, hey, yo, I'm done. And then I had to actually delete delete the access, right? I delete the access on that computer. So that's exactly what happened, and that's when I was like, okay, so now I've lost my Facebook. And then I tried to log in my Facebook or whatever. Nothing happened. You know, I've lost it. It actually took everything, and I don't have a Facebook, right? I actually created a new one. And my Instagram was also gone, you know. So, and then I didn't check the YouTube at that moment. I was actually trying to revoke the access that they had on my Google account. You understand? So I was trying so hard to actually protect my Google account. You understand? So I actually had to remove every laptop that has access to my Google account, and also I had to. And then that's when I actually went to YouTube and I checked my YouTube. I don't have any video on my YouTube, and the YouTube name has changed, the logo, everything has changed, and I was like, what is happening? Like, yo, what do these people do, right? Because I actually had to start like putting the new profile picture, and I put a new profile picture, and put my name back. You understand? So that's actually the story, guys. How I actually lost my YouTube, my YouTube, right? Yeah, I lost my YouTube, but I got it back. Facebook is gone, Instagram is gone, but I actually created a new Facebook. If you want to follow me there, the link will be down below in the description. I created a new Facebook, new Instagram, right? New TikTok, right? And on the YouTube, I'm glad all my subscribers are still here, guys. Otherwise, I was gonna lose my YouTube, right? So yeah, that's just it. That's how I lost my videos, man. And then now I'm actually starting over to making videos. I hope you guys actually you understand. And yes, man. And that's just it, right? That's just it. That's just it. And after that, I actually traveled. I was not around. I was not around Cape Town. I was outside, and I just got back in Cape Town, and I'm like, okay, let me just continue and drop these videos. So, and as I'm actually walking down the streets, I decided to make this video. There was a lot of noise going on, but I've tried my best, guys, to actually explain. Let me show you where I'm going. Let me show you. So as you can see up here, I can see that. You can go back. All right, so I can see. You know what I mean? So that's exactly what happened. That's what happened to my YouTube channel. Just in case you guys was wondering, hey, what happened to your YouTube channel, Miss FX Wizy? What happened to your videos? That's exactly what happened, again. I didn't delete any video. All my videos, they was deleted with the people, man. And y'all need to be careful out there, man. Don't just click any link that you see someone just send you a link, and then don't ever click that link. There's a lot of shady stuff going on the internet right now, yeah. So yeah, make sure that you stay outside of the trouble. You know what I mean? So I had to learn that the hard way. So, and they actually tried to log in on my Vantage account, my brokerage account, because they wanted to take money. That's all they wanted, right? And then maybe they just wanted to take my YouTube channel and then they start charging me money to get it back, you know, as they did on my Facebook. They say like I must send them other people. They send me that message like, "Hey, bro, if you lost your Facebook, send us money so that we can actually get your Facebook back." And I knew maybe they're actually working with the same people that scam me, so I can send them money. And again, they won't give me. And I was like, "Yo, man, fuck it. I'm a forex trader. As long as my Vantage, my brokerage account is safe, that's all. That's all matter, right? All this social media, y'all can take it, y'all can have it. You know what I mean? I'm not even getting money on these social media things, but I want to connect to my people. You understand? But I was actually worried about YouTube the most, you know, because it's where I have a lot of subscribers and a lot of people actually watching my videos. You understand? So that's it, guys. Y'all need to be more careful. And also, I have a VIP group, guys, where I trade and I share my signals every day, and I will leave the link down below in the description. It's 100% free, so you don't have to pay anything. So yeah, the link will be down below. Just go ahead and click join us, and now let's make money. And that's the end of this video, guys. Now I want to get home. You know, it's the weekend. It's the weekend. I want to get home. I wonder what is happening there. That's crazy. Yes, Gary. So that's just it, man. That's just it. You know what I mean? That's just it. Make sure that you subscribe on this YouTube channel. More videos to come. You know, there's a lot of videos that I'm gonna be posting on this YouTube channel, man. I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos, a lot. So yeah, make sure that you tap in, subscribe. You know, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Yeah, I will see you on the next video. Yo, man, I'm on a video. I'm making a video. A ver.